Hey guys, how's it going? How to scan QR code on Telegram. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Telegram, right? Click on your settings at the bottom right. Click the QR code at the top left next to your avatar. Then basically, you're gonna just take a screenshot, right? Basically, what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go back to your screen, right? Go ahead to your photos. And then basically right here, go to your QR code, right? And then basically right here, you're gonna be able to scan the QR code. Let me go and hold right here that QR code, and you're gonna be able to see a pop-up window. And go ahead and open up in Safari, and you'll be directed to your profile on Telegram. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.